What up, YouTube? It's Chinobo, and I'm back with another video, hitting y'all up once again with a little bit of fashion. And as you can see, today's unboxing video is brought to you by Louis Vuitton. Even though I'm not sponsored or getting anything for free, shout out to Louis V, y'all. Let's get into the unboxing. So, just to let you guys know, this item I did purchase off of line. I do not have a Louis Vuitton store near me, and that is why I do not have the blue ribbon on there, but it's inside. First things first, getting into the box. Normal orange box, nothing around it, plain orange. Has a blue pulling tab here, which slides open. Sound pretty good, nice and fresh. Comes with your Louis Vuitton papers, and then here you're gonna get like your receipt and everything. This is what you're greeted with when you first open up your packet. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisan with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil, alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on uslouisvuitton.com, blah 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 blah. Louis Vuitton number right here. Your receipt and your Louis Vuitton exchange and returns and return label. Moving along, the meat and potatoes. You got your white wrapping paper. A couple of designs on here. I'm pretty sure y'all guys can see that. With the two Louis Vuitton stickers on there. You got your blue ribbon I was telling you guys about. That usually comes wrapped around the box. But like I said, mine came in the mail, so it wasn't fancy. Got your Louis Vuitton card, whatever note that you wanted to send. If it's as a gift or shoot, a gift to yourself, you will get an envelope in here, which I didn't send anything to myself. I mean, I could have, but I didn't. So on the ribbon, you got Louis Vuitton all the way through. You got your Louis Vuitton tag here. Now into this baby. This is a monologue confidential. It's basically a head wrap scarf. When I first got it, I definitely thought it was like a full scarf, but I don't know, I was kidding myself because of the price. On the back of it, it's basically the same thing, switched up a little differently. So it tells you the brand, exactly what it is, showing you guys, letting you guys know that it's official. Dry clean only, 100% silk. But yeah, it doesn't open up at all. The quality of the material is really good. It's thick, it's soft. You can do a lot of things with this. Put it around your neck, your purse, whatever. But I'm into like headbands and stuff, so that's exactly what I would wear it for. Alright guys, so this was just a little accessory video. Maybe you guys like to style up with belts, hair wraps, scarves. Just a little something to spice up your outfit if you're interested in different type of accessory swag. Guys, comment down below if you're rocking with this or not, or if these are the type of videos that y'all want to see more of. Leave a like on this video, share and subscribe to the channel. Then let me know that you're rocking with me and I need to drop more of these videos for y'all. Alright, until next time, Peace.